Can't fuck the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't wanna make it real. You got me in my feelings. Can't fuck the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't wanna.
What's up everybody, Logan here, NFT Tiger is right back with another brand new platform. So guys, today we will take a look on Palo Alto. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, and let me clear that it's not financial advice. This video is only for education purposes because I will provide you all the detail regarding Palo Alto and its token AAA, and I will provide you all the information what kind of benefit this platform has, because artificial intelligence has changed the entire world in 20th century. So hope so you will be able to get more information regarding this platform, and I will provide you all the detail how basically it works. It's haven't listed yet, but when it's listed, so the picture will be clear. So what kind of performance will be after listing on any exchange. So you can apply for be whitelisted, but still it's coming soon, so you have to wait for that. And next you can see guys, they have a very strong team who is backing up this platform. So we will discuss further. Next you can see how basically you can buy. Their multi-chains are available where you can buy that. I already told you that it's haven't listed yet, but you can buy on multi-chains. So next you can see here how basically it helps you, because they have AI agent that supports you 24/7 without taking any rest. So it's quite amazing. And next guys, you can see here, build, integrate, scale, launch your AI agent now. So if you want to launch your AI agent, so they will guide you, they will provide you all the facilities. And next, they have a very strong community on Twitter, YouTube, Discord, and Telegram. You can see here on all major, you can see here links here, the links are given. You can see here all information. And next, multi-chains detail I already provide you. And next, if you scroll down a bit, so you will see all the information. You can see here, we are proud to our community, and no doubt about that, because they have covered millions of community on Telegram and like YouTube, on Twitter. And you can see here Silicon Valley on Telegram. They have a 3K founders community. And next you can see here on GitLab, you can get access to the open source of code. And next you can see here AAA on project updates, and 250K followers on Telegram. Okay guys, next if you scroll down a bit, you can see here they cover many areas, like more than 50 regional communities of AI agents and Web3 developers, and you can see all the detail here. Okay, next you can see here, get to know our team. I already told you that they have a very strong team who is backing up this platform, and none of the project can be successful without active and strong team. And looks to me it can achieve the place it deserves in the future, because the next future is the future of artificial intelligence, guys. And next you can see here all information, all details are there. Next, co-founder and research laboratory and the core team. So I'm trying to show all the detail because it's very important to discuss the team who's backing up this platform. Next you can see here, welcome to the San Francisco and Silicon Valley, and the center of the crypto and the AI, the homeless in the USA. So they are working for good cause also, so we should appreciate that. And next you can see here the big problem solution. So if there is any problem, whether it's a big problem, whether it's a small problem, so they will guide you, they will provide you. The AI agent is available for 24/7 to provide, to solve your issue and create any sort of a solution of your issue. So that's the benefit behind this project. And next you can see here You can see here gross problems, losing, and you will see all the information. And next you can see, if you scroll down a bit, you will see here more detail. You can see the information about AAA, and we will find more information, guys. You can see here, you can watch out all the information, you can get more knowledge, more detail. It's very important to study all the information and all the detail before start investing in any sort of project. I already told you that cryptocurrency is very, very risky, so you need to be careful about that. If you compare this product, and if you compare AAA token with the other platforms, so you will see a huge amount of difference between the other project if we compare them. You can see here all information, all details, all benefits are available, and I'm sure when you visit that you will be able to get more information and you will be satisfied to see all the detail regarding this platform. And next you can see here on the tutor, and you can get more information regarding that, and you can get more detail about that, how basically it works and how it can provide you a solution of your issues, and all details will be there. Okay guys, next you can see here, designed to maximize investor return while keeping decentralization and community at its core. So you can see here its total supply, its chain, and next its listing price. So God knows what the listing price will be, because it's still haven't yet listed on any exchange. So when it will list it, so we will able to get more detail and its price details, so everything will be clear. And you can see here the seed engines and Silicon Valley, and next to Presale, VC round, private sale, IDO public sale, and all details are there. You can easily visit that. And next you can see here, guys, token details are given. You can see here it's the different types of rounds, and after that when you complete the rounds, and you can get more detail about that when you see that. Next, diamond hands airdrop, so they are providing you airdrop also. And next you can see more information below. So basically it's a combination of AI and human and the crypto, and they are providing you a maximum amount of facility that they can provide. So you can see here the guys, AI agent on chain starting. Next you can see here the chain agent, and next you can see investments, and next you can see here more detail about that, and you will be able to get more information about that. Their community DAO, treasury, governance details are there. And next, if you scroll down a bit, so you can see here AAA agent on-chain started, and the details are there. And next, community details, and next treasury governance information. So all informations are available under a single platform. You will be able to get more information when you visit that. So I will post all the links in description, guys. Okay, so guys, this was the detail about that, and hope so you briefly understand. And if there is something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section, so I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding that. So let's see about its white paper, guys. It's very important to study the white paper, because white paper is the backbone of any project. So it's very important to study the details. You can see here, guys, these are the information that's very important, and what kind of benefits it's providing you, so you can get more details, guys. And let me clear that I already mentioned that combination of AI and artificial intelligence and the crypto, and it will apply in all field of life, and you can generate tons of benefits by using that. So hope so you briefly understand, guys. And once again, I'm telling you, if there is something missing, guys, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. So even you can approach the team, the links are given, and I will post all the links in description if you have any question and queries. So please don't miss to join the community. I'm sure you will be able to get more details regarding this platform. So we will meet our next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.